Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to install PhasicFlow on Ubuntu. So to start, open your browser and type the following address. Okay, as you can see, github.com/PhasicFlow. This opens the main page of PhasicFlow on GitHub, and on the repositories, you will find two parts, PhasicFlow and PhasicFlow Plus. First for DEM simulation and second for CFD-DEM simulation. So now open PhasicFlow. Okay, in this page we can find the main repositories of PhasicFlow. Scroll down in a build and installation. At the first line you will find the link where you can find the instruction and rules to install PhasicFlow version 1.0. Please click on the link. This page contains the instruction for building. And before I start, I have to emphasize that this procedure tests against Ubuntu 22 LTS and Ubuntu 24 LTS. So, in the first step, we must install some packages are essential for installation. These packages are Git, G++, CMake, and for GPU execution, you also need to install CUDA. The minimum version of CUDA is 12. For install these packages, just copy this command and open the new terminal and paste it. Wait for the end. After finishing, the next step is clone PhasicFlow from GitHub on your computer. So to do that, copy this command and please execute them. So, and after that, wait until the end. Okay, and now, if you want to check everything is correctly, now so far open a new file browser and you will see that. Yeah, you will see that the home folder is included a new folder which is named PhasicFlow. So please open it. New folder PhasicFlow version 1 is created and you will find some folder and files which are related to the code. Now, so far so good. Now let's continue again. The next step is to set the environmental variable. So let's do that. Okay, to do that, just open the Basher script by using gedit or any other text editor on your computer. Okay, I will copy that and paste on the terminal. Fine. And now copy the following line and paste it at the end of this file. Fine, okay. And now save and close the Basher C and also close the terminal too. After setting environmental variable, now you're ready to compile and build PhasicFlow. Here we have three options, one for serial build for CPU, the second is OpenMP for parallel execution on CPU, and the third is referred to GPU file for parallel execution on GPU. Here I want to use OpenMP installation, so to do that, just copy commands, open a new terminal, and execute the command. Okay, now waiting. Okay, it's finished. And if you want to test and if you have done to understand if you have done everything correctly, okay, just go to Phasic folder. And now on this you will find a new folder. Yeah, bin, lib, include, and so on. Okay, for example, on the bin folder, you will find some execution files such as check PhasicFlow, geometry PhasicFlow, and other one. Okay, you have done everything correctly and you are ready to check if you have installed everything in the right way. Okay, in the last part, if you want to check everything is alright, please actually open a new terminal and execute the following command. Check PhasicFlow. So, now you will get the following output and it shows everything is okay. You have done everything in a correct way and you are ready to perform DEM simulation.